A correctly calibrated monitor is an essential tool for producing accurate prints. Once your monitor is calibrated to a standard neutral point, it becomes part of an open-loop color system used in the photographic and imaging industry. This means it can show you how your images will look like when printed or viewed on other monitors. In order to calibrate your monitor, you'll require a device called a spectrophotometer, which measures the color accuracy of your screen's output. At the PrintSpace, we use the Gretek Macbeth X-Rite i1. There are two methods of calibration, either via the graphics card on your computer or by calibrating the screen hardware itself. The one you should use depends on the monitor you have. Hardware calibration produces the best results, but you can only do it on high-quality monitors. Before you can calibrate, you must make sure the screen is clean and free from dust and has been active for at least 30 minutes to allow it to warm up. Remember to turn off any active screen or energy savers and to perform a factory reset on the monitor prior to calibration. Both hardware and software calibration are wizard-driven and the steps are easy to follow. Run the software using the advanced mode, and whether using hardware or software calibration, use the following settings. Select the monitor type, CRT or LCD, luminance 120 candelas per square meter, gamma 2.2, and color temperature of the white point at 6500 Kelvin. Follow the wizard to complete the calibration process, creating a new monitor profile. The new profile will automatically be saved as the default monitor profile. This ends the calibration process, and you should now have a color-accurate monitor.